Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert HLG footage to Rec 709 in Premiere Pro. Now to do this, you don't have to download anything, just go ahead and click on your footage right here. And then you want to navigate through the color settings. Simply inside the color settings, you then want to navigate through the settings of the colors right here. So just click on settings once again, and then under the projects tab, you then want to make sure that you enable color manage auto detected log and raw media. From there, you then want to navigate through the source clip, and then you want to make sure that you use Rec 709. And also under sequence right here, you then want to make sure that the input tone mapping is enabled and also the input gamut compression. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.